Greetings everybody out there in trader land. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Hump Day, Wednesday, April 4th, and it is 2018, and the markets go bullish today. So bullish that I actually started buying a little bit of the SPY. So I'm putting my toe back into the market here. Market's up 1% on the spiders, about the same on the diamonds. NASDAQ up 1.6%, small caps up 1.3% on the Russells. Financials up more than 1%, US dollar slightly lower, crude oil slightly higher, gold slightly higher, silver down 0.5%. VIX, though, fear decreasing by 5%. Bitcoin off by 7%. GBTC is down by 12%. So cryptocurrency stuff, stay away from that for the time being. Okay, here we are looking at the markets as a whole. This is the SPDR, which is the ETF on the S&P 500. 500, we are looking to perhaps go higher. So I am hesitant. I did buy. You know what? Since I did buy, the SPDR, I'm gonna call. I got to buy on it, but I've got another buy if it goes higher, so I'll add more to my position, my token position, if in fact we go higher, because if we pop up, we'll probably stall at the 20-day, maybe at this area coming across at 267, 268 area, but we should get to this line at least. I could pull a little bit of money, a few points out of this. This would be nice. But if it does happen to break out, I want to be in the game if that happens. The other thing that I like here, let me show it to the world, is we have a rising wedge. Do you see this? Or I'm sorry, rising wedge. A bullish divergence on the MACD. The MACD is giving us a bullish divergence. We're going down here, going up there. That is a bullish divergence. And that is usually pretty bullish with the markets. So the markets were bleeding out, showing all this bad stuff, and then we get a pop. It's just crazy markets. If you're in the Midwest, you know that we have some crazy weather taking place. And look at this choppy on the diamonds. Choppy. I do not have a position on the diamonds, but we're going to come up, probably smash our head. We got major resistance right around 245, 246 area. Got to be watching that. NASDAQ tech stocks got it down, but then it popped up. All of these, so the call is going back higher now. Russell's 2000 had a sell on it. Got to go back up. There it is. There it is, bouncing right off of support. We broke down below it, but it didn't stay there. That is so interesting. It just shows how crazy this market is right now. Financials. Right at support, we gapped down at support, we took off. I'm gonna finally put up. I mean, it's just a low base. Oh man, this would turn around and blow up on me. But I'm gonna put a buy on this one. Let's see if we're gonna go up Thursday and Friday. US dollar, I got a buy on it. It's a high base. Look for a breakout. That's bullish, guys. Crude oil, I got it down, but it popped up at support, so now it gets a buy. And gold, got a buy on it. Oh, what a train wreck that is. As long as we stay above moving averages there, that's good. Silver, I got a sell on it and then a buy. But we're below moving averages. That's bad. Look at this. This is just nothing but a gauntlet right here going sideways. Just a crazy mess. I'm just going to stick with my buy call until we get a decisive move to the upside, or if we start to drop, then I'll do it then. VIX, I got a buy on it, but it's dropping right now. So I'm going to put a sell on the VIX. I'm going to put a sell on that. Bitcoin, I got a sell on it and it hit resistance, dropping again. So I'm good with that sell. GBTC, got a buy on it. It did drop back here though. That is very interesting. Very interesting. I'll stay with my buy for the time being. For the time being, I think that will be helpful. So there it is. I'm casual. I'm going to go play some racquetball, because I'll tell you, as a trader, you just sit behind the computer all day long. I'm surrounded by video monitors. Now I have 1, 2, 3 lights surrounding me. And that, and you just sit, and that's not good for you. We have got to be standing and exercising. So sometimes I'll get up, I'll do jumping jacks, I'll do squats and all, but 3 times a week I go and play hardcore racquetball. I mean, for you guys that are fitness nuts, I burn between 1,100 to 1,800 calories. So I'm playing between 2 to 3 hours of in-your-face racquetball. So it's balls to the wall, just big-time exercise. But if you're trading for mental focus, you've got to be fit. I'm telling you, if you are lazy, you're putting on weight, you have no more energy, your success will be measured by your fitness. Just trust me on that. The people that have gone through our program, the mentor students, those that are full-time traders today who have completely quit their jobs and are trading, can I say 100%? Almost. I'm going to say a good 95% of them are fit. They have great discipline in their life. So being fit is a reflection of discipline, and it takes great discipline to be a fantastic trader in the markets. Guys, man, I've been doing this a long time. And trading 20 years. I've been teaching with this business 10 years. I'm teaching overall, I think, 14 years since 2004. Anyway, and yeah, I've been doing this a long time. Nobody has been doing trading videos as long as me. Oh, by the way, guys, you remember how I said go back in time, watch my videos from 2007, 2008, and you'd see where I start talking about the markets breaking down before the financial crash? If you're watching YouTube right now, make sure you subscribe if you're doing that. But let me share this with you. That account only goes back to 2009. So I said go back to 2007, 2008. I did that under another alias, under D7, DS3VEN. Wait, 7. Let's get this right. DS, okay, EV, not E, it's a 3. Then 3N. So it's D7 spelled out, but the E's are 3s, okay? You can find me there. Go back, look at some. I do a lot of individual stocks there, but a couple of them I do the broad markets, and I talk about how game over, blood in the streets. If this happens, we're done. You know, I use those terms, and you'll see it on a few of the videos there before the market crash. And so I'm on record talking about how we were in significant trouble before the market actually crashed. I don't know anybody else who's a technician who look at charts that called it like I called it. So anyway, for you guys, yeah, go and find that. And all those videos are on YouTube still. Anyway, okay. That said, we're doing a couple cool things. We're doing a 3-day online course. We're doing it this month. And it's 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's all day long through the internet. So you'll be watching our charts. We have, cameras on us. It's all day long, and it's paid training. And you can join us. You can join us by texting that number to get more information on it. Text your name and email to get more information on the 3-day training class. Just text it to us. But we're doing something super uber cool. If you go to Grok Trade, and you scroll down, we do have webinars you can attend, which are cool. But we have this, have coffee with Mark, the Meerkat, and D7. We're going to be in these areas. Indianapolis, Chicago, Columbus, Ohio, Cincinnati, Louisville, Des Moines. If you want to meet up, just to meet, and you can drive to one of those locations, fill out the form. Let us know. We'll be in contact with you, Keisha or Carolina or whoever. One of us will be in contact with you. And we'll set up a quaint little coffee place. And we'll hang out, talk shop, bring pencil and paper. We'll draw charts and do all sorts of fun stuff. It's yeah, we'll hang out for an hour or so. Do that. But you guys, there you have it. If subscribe if you're a YouTube guy, but you'll see this little thing pop up. It'll probably be over here on my left saying click here. I'm trying to get the end screen to put my logo down there. I don't know if I'll get it done on this, but if it works, it works. Great. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you later. Bye.